Welcome to the third finishing module, where I suggest you to embroider a beautiful Earth planet. The picture of it you can find below this video and print it on the A4 size paper. I've drawn two pictures at your preference, so you may have another option to choose. Blue color for the sea, green and yellow color thread with the beads to embroider the land, and a couple of pins in order to redraw the picture on the silk. So let's start. I've placed my pattern under the frame with the put on silk, and later I will repeat the picture using just a regular pencil. Please keep in mind that once you start your embroidery, in the end you will receive a mirror effect. And as a prime step, I will first embroider the disc of our planet with the regular tumbler stitches. And when it's completed, I start the sea using snake or serpentine line technique, slightly touching the borders of the land and the islands. So again, I'm slightly touching the borders of the land and islands, but I'm not going through them. I leave this moment for the other colors. And here you may visually understand the mirror effect that I meant before. My planet is conversed. In future, you have to be very attentive when choosing your beading techniques. It means that everything you are facing at the moment will be opposite on the bottom side of the frame. Thus, when I'm working on my planet, I must mind these two sides. Once more, I would like to highlight the importance to draw the islands with the stitches, nicely, slightly touching the borders of it. I'd like you to practice your hand with this masterclass, picture your work and attach your comments. Thus here is the reversed side and the face side of our planet.